Okay, we're here at GoToMath.com. Click on the algebra, go down to quadratic equations. What are we doing now? Looks like 6.1. Oh my God, what is that? That does not look good. Looks like a nightmare. Wait a minute, I see a common factor there. 5x, I'm writing this down if you don't mind. Okay. Let's go to the whiteboard. Plus 35x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now it looks like there's a number here that we can pull out. And let's see, what could it possibly be? Well, it's not 10. I always look at the smallest number. But it does look like a 5. We can pull a 5 out of here. So let's do that. So this becomes 5x squared plus 7x. What's going on there? 7x plus 2. Okay? Right? Alright. Now we want to factor this guy, so let's take a look at this. We're going to have to put a 5x here. Okay, so we're still looking for two numbers that when multiplied together gives us something, gives us a 2, right? And then of course this time, because we have this 5 here, we're looking for 5 times, let's see, we'll call this, say, that b. We're looking for 5 times b, and when we add it to a, we get 7, right? We get 7. Alright, well this ought to be easy to figure out, because 2, the only way you can get 2 is 1 times 2. 1 times 2, obviously, right? And good news is this is a positive and that's a positive, so that's good. So if I plugged a 1 in right here for b, that would be 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 for a. Here, we'll write it down right here. 5 times 1 plus 2 is 7. There you go. Okay? So we said that b, so we said this was going to be our a, this would be our b. So b looks like 1, and a is going to be 2. How do you like those apples? And of course we've got a 5 out here, so hopefully that's what I meant to do, was pull a 5 out. We'll find out here in a minute. Okay. Okay, so what you'll do is set both of these guys equal to, set these both equal to 0 and solve for x. Let me go back in here. So 5x times x is 5x squared. 5 times is 5, and then 6, 7, and then 2 times 1 is 2. Alright. So on this particular one here, we're going to have x is equal to negative 2 over 5, right? Bring the 2 over, comes negative, multiply both sides by 1/5. And then this one here, we isolate x, we get negative 1. So those should be our two solutions. Alright. They should be, anyway. Negative 2/5 and negative 1. Yeah. Negative 2/5. Negative 1. I like to scroll down the screen real slow to make sure. Negative 1, comma, negative 2/5. So this is the larger of the negative numbers. Well, I guess you really wouldn't say that, but just look at this part right here and negate the negatives. Okay, the way this is actually written in pi. Hey, you need to put it in the box if you want to check your work first. Okay, so we're over here at GoToMath.com solving some equations. See you in the next problem.